Hello, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change a t-shirt or any fabric color and how to change the white color into color. Welcome to Fluent Tutorials. In here I am going to change the color. First of all, I want to select this one, quick selection tool, and I want to select this one. And I will make the layer mask. Now I am going to make the adjustment layer mask here. Hue and saturation, and you can make the hue and saturation, change it, and you can change the t-shirt color simply here. You can change the saturation and hue and light. And another system, I'm going to change the out of this one, click here, and I'm going to press the solid layer. Okay, and I'm going to move this layer mask to up and press Alt and click and drag it here and replace the mask. And you can press like this, or you can simply make the selection and use the brush tool and you can brush it. In here I add solid layer and add this mask. Okay, now I'm going to click here, this color, and change the opacity. You can see, or you can double click here and you can change the color. And I want to change the blendings to here. If you click the hue, it's come like this. If you click the saturation, you can make this and click it and then click colors. It's to change hue and saturation. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the color t-shirt into black or white. Here I want to off this one, this layer, and I will click again the hue and saturation, double click here. You can make this too dark, but you can't get the actual thing. White, you can't take the actual thing. Right. And here I'm going to make this light 0 and I'm going to down the saturation only. It's come like this gray color. After that, I'm going to make another layer, adjustment layer here, and I'm going to drag this mask, copy the mask into these levels. Yes, and I will add the levels, and I will adjust the level, and you can simply drag this one to here. You can make the black really nice black t-shirt. You can make the lightness. If you want to make a white, you can drag this here and you can make the light and make the really nice white here. In the borders, there's something you have to plus zoom and the mask, and white, use the brush. You can change the brush designs and make it soft. You can simply place this one. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the white into color. I click this one and I have here, drag it, and I will make the selection, quick selection tool, zoom, or you can use the mask selection. Just subtract this one like this. Use the lasso tool for add selection, control plus zoom. Control minus zoom out. In here I'm going to change. If I click here and hue and saturation, if I change, it's not going to happen. The big thing, saturations not going. If you click the colorize, you can make a lot of things for this one. And I'm going to change now. Now press adjustment layer, solid color. Another color, okay. And I will click layer mask and press Alt and drag and drop to here. Yes. Apply it. And I will click here. If I click here and click with multiply, it's really changed. You can drag opacity a little bit or a bit. If you want to add some levels, you can add here, and level adjustment layer. You can click here and press Alt and drop it. Okay. You can click this one. You can make it bright, or you can make it dark. That's it. I'll make like this. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and just press the bell icon. You can get update from my channel. Thank you for watching.